Bach Baras is a folk festival of Rajasthan, devoted to cow's calf. Kothun, a small village about 50 kilometers from Jaipur, with majority of population comprising of the Jat community, celebrates this festival in grand style. Every year, the 12th day of Bhadrapad by the Hindu calendar is marked for calf worship, that is Bach Baras. Bach, the calf, and Baras, the 12th day. On this day, women pray for a long life of their children, and those aspiring to be a mother fast to have their wish fulfilled. As a mark of respect, the devotees abstain from consuming milk products on this day, so the milk is spared for the calf. A torch is lit at the start of the festival. This flame is kept alive throughout the festival. A cow and its calf chosen for the worship are led to the nearby pond with the villagers following them. These villagers hold the holy flag on their way to the pond, making it very colorful and spectacular. The elderly folk begin the ceremony with a prayer of Lord Shiva. All this while, the women worship the cow and its calf. After this ceremony, the goddess Patwari Mata is worshipped, and the women recite the folk tales and pray for all evil to vanish and prosperity to prevail. The various communities from the nearby villages then assemble for the main cultural event of dance and music. This event is an opportunity for the local artists to display their talents and then try to make the most of it. The central theme of this event remains the importance of cows in daily life. Traditional instruments, folk songs and dance creates a magical spell, and it feels as if the divine gods have taken human form to be part of this celebration. The best performances are rewarded at the end of the day, making it very competitive and exciting. These folk tales and festivals help such traditions survive through the generations, making them immortal.